I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating basic power causes. First, insert fresh AA cells or fully charge the battery pack so you're not chasing intermittent power drops. Once done, plug the controller into the console with a USB cable. This forces a wired connection and prevents wireless sleep while we test. Then open Xbox settings and temporarily disable autosleep to see if the controller remains active. These steps separate battery issues from controller settings so you know which path to follow next. Once wired and charged, check firmware. Open the Xbox Accessories app and apply any controller updates. Firmware fixes many power and stability problems. After updating, remove the controller from your console's devices list and perform a fresh pairing using the pairing button to ensure a clean handshake. Make sure to test the controller on a second device, another Xbox or PC, so you can tell if the problem is the controller or that specific console's wireless stack. If it stays on, finish by addressing hardware and console configuration. If you still get unexpected shutoffs, open the battery compartment and clean or replace corroded contacts. Poor contact causes power loss. If only one Xbox shows the issue, perform a console settings reset, backup profiles first, and test again. As a last step, swap to an official Microsoft rechargeable pack or a different high-quality USB cable to rule out accessory faults. If problems persist, contact support with logs, but trying these swaps usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.